Hi guys, welcome back. Bonjour, bonsoir. I'll be featuring this client's locks, and this is my first time featuring her hair on this channel. Her attitude is like the best attitude I've ever witnessed when it comes to locking your hair. Her attitude is just great. I think everybody should have it when locking hair because she is so patient. She's so just going with the flow and trusting the process. And as a result, her locks are absolutely flourishing. I started her locks with no gel, no product, and she was also in her transitioning phase from relaxed hair to natural hair. So we coiled her new growth and her relaxed ends were just clipped off, and her hair has been flourishing ever since. This is between 4 and 5 months of locking right here. Her hair is doing exceptionally well. She's another one of my clients who has a lot of locks, so I'm sure there's going to be comments about how she should be interlocking. So today I'm just showing a little maintenance on her hair. After I've sprayed water in her hair to dampen it, I'll be using almond oil to put throughout her scalp. This is her first time trying out the almond oil, so this is experimental for her also. And once I've put the almond oil all throughout her scalp, I'm going to proceed to start retwisting her hair, and I always start at the base. And her hair really needed I'm using the comb because she likes neatness. However, I really did not even need it because her hair is just so well behaved. She washes in between visits with me, so she gets her hair retwisted once a month. It's been that way since we started. Not saying that everyone should do this, but it works for her. It works for many of my other clients. So once a month she gets a retwist, but in between that she washes at home. So she washes twice a month. And her hair has been doing so well. I just left the comb alone because I didn't need it. I didn't need it to separate her parts at all. The hair is just so well behaved, just doing what it's supposed to do. She's embracing this stage very much. She's loving the unruly phase, if you would. Her hair has been locking and budding very well. And it is basically the same thing I've said over and over. Technique over product. Technique over product. I'm not using any product, but I am maintaining her locks. They're baby locks, so they need to be trained and guided in the formation of the locks. You can't just retwist the roots and call it a day, or you can't just palm roll. That's one thing people I've recently noticed is that people will palm roll, but you're just palm rolling hair that's sitting there. So as soon as they get home or as soon as the next day comes, it's all frizzy and unmaintained again. But if you actually take your time and wrap those hairs around the entire baby lock, it will make a world of a difference in terms of maintenance and lock formation and trying to make sure the lock forms a certain way. So as you can see, I am wrapping the hair around the lock, the entire lock, and then palm rolling. And once her hair matures, of course, it won't even need all of that. It won't need wrapping all the way down the lock because the locks will be mature, but it will need that around the roots. And here's the last little bit of me retwisting her hair. Once again, I've used no gel, no type product, really just water and almond oil. So here I'm just gonna go ahead into retwisting the little bit that's left. And once again, I'm just using water and almond oil on her. She's trying out the almond oil, so that's all we're using. No gel or anything like that. And around the edges, I always do a little flat twist. And when I start locks, I keep in mind that the edges will need the most support, so I do them a little bit bigger around the edges for that reason. And she will be also getting her hair styled today. I will not be showing the full tutorial for the style, but I am going to record her styles and a few of my other baby lock clients' styles to put them into a compilation video, because a lot of you have been asking for styles on short locks. So I'm just going to do a video that has several of them. That way there are options. After drying for 30 minutes, here we are. And her hair she has smaller locks. Her hair, she has a lot of strands, but they're not thick strands. And her locks are fairly small, so she didn't really need to sit under dry that long. So 30 minutes or so dried her hair really good. And this is what her hair looks like after the clips are out and her roots are dry. And they are not tight. I've had someone say retwists like this are tight. They are not tight. It's just very well maintained. I pick up all the hairs I possibly can to guide that lock in its formation. But no, they are not tight. And she watches these videos also, so she could tell you in the comments they're not tight. So no, that's not a thing. They're not tight. I don't do hair tight at all. Her roots are just lovely. Her locks are flourishing, just beautiful. Okay, and here she's getting her first style. Once again, I will not be showing the full tutorial for the style, but I will have a compilation video of short styles put together for you guys coming later on, maybe this month or next month. This is actually, I think, her second style, maybe third. I think it's her second style, but her locks are just so cute. This stage of locks is just so cute. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Dxlynlocs. Follow my Facebook page, Dxlynvlogs. I post a lot more on Instagram than Facebook, but you can still like my Facebook because I know some people don't have Instagram, but I know most people have Facebook. So you can like either one or both. It's up to you. See you guys later. Bye. Let me know if you'd like me to do more updates on Miss Ty. Hi, Ty. And I will keep it up for you guys. And I will.